Welcome back, friends. It's not a pretty picture at all to see Indian Air Force fighter planes going to various countries and bringing back oxygen capacitors. It's not a very good sight uh, for the countrymen, for the Indians to see such a thing. Uh, Now you have to get oxygen and ventilators from various countries across the world. Well, the situation is bad. There is no doubt. It's being labeled in the media, international media, as almost a humanitarian disaster. Yet, it's not very good sight to see Indian Air Force fighter planes. I wish this situation had not arisen. Various reasons are behind it. Anyway, when the days are better, right now there's lockdown in many states, uh, and Mumbai is seeing a fall in cases, in coronavirus cases. But then it's been almost under partial or substantial lockdown since almost 2 weeks now. There's an economic disaster which can happen if this keeps on going on. There are talks of extension beyond May 1st, and then again after May 15th. So almost May is also gone. So 2 months gone. Not an easy situation. These lockdowns cannot be imposed again and again. There's an economic malaise. There is an economic significance that goes beyond. One has to be more prepared for such medical exigencies beforehand. I'm not trying to point up, all of them have done their well. In many ways, Mr. Uddhav Thackeray has done a very good job. Narendra Modi has painstakingly tried to put the whole thing together, yet something has got left behind. I understand double mutation and all that, yet there is some things which could have worked a little better. It's not an easy sight now. Pakistan is offering ventilators to India. It's not an easy sight, going to each country, then bringing these oxygen capacitors. At least I'm not proud of it, what is happening. I don't know about you guys. Anyway, there's one question that a lot of people are asking me is that about positional calls. Okay, I mean, a lot of my calls these days I give for within the day, some hours. Now, positional calls last for a few days, and why would I not give them? I have been giving it in the past. Situations are very different today. As I feel convenient, I definitely give it, even now. But we have very different situations. There's premium eating that takes place, and particularly when you're closing or coming close to a monthly options expiration, which is happening on Thursday, it's not an easy thing to give. There could be very rapid deterioration in the premium prices if you're not very careful. So it's not such an easy thing. Wherever it is possible, we still give the positional calls, but there is life beyond uh, just the positional calls. You have to have faith in our capabilities. Whatever is humanly possible, I am always there uh, to exchange information with y'all, and also in my Telegram channels, Premium and Premium Plus. We always put it immediately. What we are not putting, then we have some 1% doubt. Okay, and I try not to do things. Yesterday, I had given only one trade for my premium group. It was a rise. I just kept it soft. I gave many stock calls yesterday, but I kept just a rise between 240 and 330, and you saw it was a 30 points rise, but it was rapid. Those who even entered only who had faith. So that's why I requested people who want to join Premium Plus, only those join who have faith in my abilities. Okay. Just between 10 minutes, people made good money. In 242, they just took my uh, time at face value and they did it. And that's it. They took some money and went. Positional calls, I'm always in fact, it is easier to say that, the market is, Nifty is headed towards 14,800. It's easier rather than give these, these surgical precision calls are very tough to make. Okay. So I think look like a double-faced day in May. Double-faced, many hours you will find will be, half will be up, half will be down. It will be a very double-faced day, I would say, of trading. I'll just give you a few examples, and please do not forget to do your own homework as well, as I always say, before you invest your money. So don't all rely just on me, but please do your own homework as well. A lot of it is, I try to explain all these various things from an educational perspective. You should know what are these positional calls, why you should make or not make them. So there could be a fall between 10:05 and 10:35, and there could be a rise between 10:35 and 11:10. Similarly, in the afternoon session, there could be a similar story happening. There could be a rise 135 to 205, and there could be a fall 205 to 235. There could again be a rise 235 to 310. So it's like a multifaceted day, I would say. Okay, various things and various pictures are coming together, and people can get trapped in many ways. That's what, you should be trading very, very carefully in such type of an environment. I'm just giving you some examples today which you can utilize well. There are other things as well which should be a part of your portfolio, and to get more stock details, get good stocks, do get in touch with us. We're happy to exchange. Join our Premium Plus. Do WhatsApp us at 9820861044. भाई और बहनों, कोई अच्छा दिखता नहीं कि इंडियन एयरफोर्स के प्लेन जा रहे हैं और ऑक्सीजन कैपेसिटर्स विभिन्न देशों से लेके आ रहे हैं. इतना अच्छा दिखता नहीं ये सब, मन को भी छूता नहीं. लेकिन अब सिचुएशन ऐसी है कि लाना पड़ रहा है. कोई तो खुशी दिल से दे रहे हैं, कोई नहीं दे रहे. हाँ, कोई बिजनेस प्रपोजिशन करके दे रहे हैं. एक दो ने तो खुशी से दे दिया तो अच्छा लगा, कोई सोच सोच के दे रहे हैं. ठीक है. और दूसरी बात है कि पोजिशनल ट्रेड के बारे में बहुत लोग पूछते रहते हैं कि आप 3-4 दिन में कैसे रहेगा मार्केट में. एक दिशा, अरे भाई एक दिशा हो तो बताए ना. विभिन्न दिशाओं की बातें होती है तो क्या बताऊं. हाँ, कुछ टॉपसी टॉवी तो रहेगा आज का दिन, ऐसा लग रहा है. 10:05 10:35 के बीच में गिरावट, 10:35 11:10 के बीच में ऊपर, 1:35 और 2:05 के बीच में ऊपर, 2:05 2:35 नीचे, 2:35 3:10 ऊपर. ज़िंदगी भी वैसे ही है ना, कभी धूप कभी छाँव, कभी ऊपर कभी नीचे. क्यों भाइयों बहनों, सही है. तो थोड़ा रंग दिखाया. आप अपना भी खुद का विश्लेषण करिए अपने बहुत ही कीमती पैसे डालने से पहले. और अच्छे स्टॉक रिकमेंडेशंस भी हम दे रहे हैं अपने प्रीमियम और प्रीमियम प्लस, तो उनके भी आप बहुत अच्छा लाभ दिखा सकते हैं. ये सब थोड़ा तो मैंने मेहनत करके आपको जितनी मेरे से हो सकी की है. खुद का विश्लेषण ज़रूर करिएगा और प्रीमियम प्लस को ज़रूर ज्वाइन करिए. तो मेरा नंबर है 9820861044. आज आपका दिन अच्छा रहे सबके लिए, सुख समृद्धि से, और हम लॉकडाउन से हमेशा के लिए अभी दूर हो जाए. बम्बई में तो केसेस कम हो रहे हैं, खुशी की बात है. फिर भी लगता है कि ये लॉकडाउन जो May 1 तक रिव्यू पे है वो पूरा होना इतना आसान नहीं है, क्योंकि हेल्थ का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर सपोर्टिंग नहीं है इतना. तो कोशिश कर रही गवर्नमेंट जब तक ये सब हेल्थ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अच्छा हो जाए तो लॉकडाउन रहेगा. ठीक है, हो सकता है और 15 दिन, May 15, और हो सकता है May 31 तक भी, क्या पता. ठीक है, ऐसे कह रहे हैं लोग. ठीक है, चलो प्रीमियम प्लस को जरूर ज्वाइन करिए. नंबर 9820861044. जय हिंद, जय भारत.